Let's look at the budget approval app in KissFlow. To start, install it from the Apps tab. When you look at the form, you'll see several basic fields like name, email, and department. You can set these to populate automatically using some system formulas like this one. The form also has sections to request for budget amounts for a particular financial year, total budget, available funds, and requested and approved amounts. Over in the workflow, each item is set to be approved by the head of the department, and then to be processed by finance, the CFO, and the CEO. In this example, the CEO approval only happens if the total budget requested is above $1 million. You could set the head of department approval and the finance approval to happen at the same time like this using a parallel branch. Or you can also set up these tasks with the go-to forward hop. Finally, you can adjust the settings for the app. I'll change the subject to something like budget request from employee name for the financial year. That's how to set up your budget approval app in KissFlow.